Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in to yet another video from SIXDAY Metal Detecting. We go up into the mountains once again with our buddy Todd Hulsey from Appalachian History Detectives. Now this was actually our second visit to this property. Unfortunately, my part one, the first time we went, all of my footage completely erased from my phone, from my iCloud. I don't know what happened, but it's all gone. So this is our second visit, and it's me and my buddy Joe from Morgantown and Todd, and it happened to be Todd's birthday, and he has an incredible day on his birthday, which is just an amazing gift from God, because every single hole, every plug had a gift in it just for him. He did awesome. So stay tuned, check out this video, and I hope you enjoy it. All right, well, we've got something hiding right there. Right there you can see, right there. Oh, let me do that. There we go. Not sure what it is, but all right, I'm gonna pluck this out. It might just be a button. It might be a shotgun shell.
Oh, it's a coin, man.
Yeah, I don't know. I think it's gonna be a smashed up shotgun shell. It sucks. It's what it is. I know it is.
It's huge.
It's what it is. Unreal. Man, I thought for sure I just broke it. That's what it is. You can see the primer in the center.
Yeah, I wonder how. That's an old one though. It's got to be.
Oh. Dang it!
It's flat. That tells me normally that it's pretty old.
Oh yeah, nice. Very cool.
Yeah. This is brass, I believe.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
And I think
Iron
this
tom.
is iron.
Yeah.
Could be an old girl's shoe buckle.
Could be. Yeah.
Because this is awfully small for
Any kind of horse tack.
any kind of horse tack.
Yeah. Of course, it could be still something, but hard to say.
Yeah, not bad.
Awesome. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You want me to wipe it for you?
Go for it.
All right. What's it gonna be? A Wheatie or an Indian? It's one of the two.
It's a Lincoln head.
Yeah, it's gonna be a Wheatie. No, it's a memorial.
1960 something.
Yeah.
Someone was sitting there eating their apple.
Probably.
The problem is he's still alive. You want to find coins of a dead man. Well, just popped a nice little button. Looks just like a flat button, but we were just talking about it, and see the design there on the back. No real maker's mark or anything, but the top is so smooth it reminds you of tombac, but you know, it doesn't look like that. It's not as beat up as most flat buttons are when you dig them out of the ground, and maybe all that stuff's just completely gone, but it's so smooth. And you know, as far as that line in it goes, I'm not sure. It doesn't look like it was bent. Not sure, but finally on the board with something nice and old, so that's a good thing, and I'll take it.
Well, I hope to God it's not a shotgun.
It needs to be a coin for your birthday.
All right. Today's my birthday, my 50th birthday. So Randy's over here teasing with me. But I think I found something here. What do you think? Is that a coin? Or is that a button?
Oh, man. It might be a button. It could be a coin, though. Let's flip it over once.
That's a button.
Oh, you see shank?
I see a shank.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, daggone it.
Hey, not bad, though.
It's a nice flatty.
Yeah. Let me
Clean
get
it
some
up.
skin on it.
Yeah.
Do a little wipe just to see.
Yeah. I think it's old.
Might not have nothing on it, but not sure yet. Let's get it cleaned up before it dries out.
Toothpick.
Good find, man. Very good find.
Which?
Look
at that.
Do you know what that is?
No, I sure don't.
That's a knee buckle.
It's a knee buckle.
It's either a knee buckle or suspender.
I think it's silver. I think it could be silver. I mean, it's reading high in the silver range. Maybe not.
These are really cool. That dirt will probably fall out of there.
Look at that.
But yeah, these are really neat buckles.
That's old.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Man, it's very, very fragile.
I think you're in the nectar sector.
Yeah, I mean, I haven't moved.
Right.
I mean, I haven't moved right here. This is where I've been the whole time.
Oh man.
Look at that.
That is old.
That's old. I almost broke it off right there.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna touch it, that's for sure.
Oh. I mean, that could be pewter.
I'd say. Very cool, man.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah, it's a nice old find. Look,
yeah.
It's just barely hanging on there.
Yeah.
I don't have anything to put it in.
Well, I'm walking back over here to see Todd. He is in a hot spot.
There's more in there too.
And he's got something.
You gotta dig it out.
Pretty nice, he says. Wow. Definitely a ring.
Yep.
Dang. That's cool.
Isn't that awesome?
That is awesome. Shame it ain't shiny gold. But regardless,
clean it up.
it's still nice.
I don't know what it is.
Yeah, we're gonna get a brush on this, see if we can't see something. But boy, that's cool, man. Very, very cool. All right, what do you got this time?
I have a buckle.
Ah,
I just
nice.
popped that out of the hole.
Very nice. Man, dude, you are in it.
That's my third of the day.
I mean, you look around and there are just plugs everywhere. He's just been tearing this hillside up, man.
It's been a good day.
Yeah.
It's been a real good day.
No, that's awesome.
I'm real happy.
Yeah, man, congrats.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Happy birthday to me, huh?
Here, tell me, yeah, I'm fist bumping you, but I'm also going to hand drop something on you.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what it is.
Oh.
But I just found it.
Oh, that is interesting. That's a piece off of furniture. It's got patent on it.
Yeah. Yeah. I couldn't quite tell what it was, though.
I think...
Some little fancy thing.
Yeah, I think this went onto a piece of furniture. Or a lock. Could be on a lock.
Oh, dude, it could be. Could be like a lock slide.
I think it's a lock slide.
That covered up a lock?
Yeah.
Like the lock hole itself?
Yep. I think it's a lock slide. Yep, that's a good find, Randy.
Dang, boy, I hope that's what that is.
I think that's what it is.
I mean, it is fancy like that.
Yeah, that's what that is.
Where that would slide over the hole and cover it up.
Yep,
man, I hope the lock's back over there. That would be awesome. Cool.
Yeah, you'll have to give me a picture of that.
Yeah.
Yeah, great job.
Yeah, that's awesome right there. Well, I'm on the board with what I believe is a button.
This is his third button, I believe. So he's on a little hot spot actually over here too.
It's a pretty one.
That's a beautiful button, Randy.
Yeah.
Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, that's got a lot of bling on it too. There's a little, looks like flowers or a wreath or a rope.
Something like that, yeah.
Oh man, good job.
Yeah, that's cool.
Randy's having a great day too.
I am. Yes, I am.
That's awesome, man.
It's heavy.
That's beautiful.
Oh my goodness, look at this place. You've destroyed.
It's got a shank on it, right here on the back.
Uh-huh.
But it's
oh, that's pretty different, isn't
it? It's a different button. I need to clean it up. I need a toothpick.
This might not be a button. Just to give you one other idea of what it could be, is like a furniture tack.
I think it's the same thing as that other one. Remember that other one we saw that was smashed?
It could be.
It looks like that.
Could be, yeah. But it's hard to say. But yeah, we'll
have to clean it up and take a look at it.
Yeah. All right, what'd you bring me?
Another button.
Oh man, that thing is beautiful. Two-piece. I can't quite tell what it says.
It looks like
it does. It does look like Benedict. Benedict and Burnham, maybe. I don't know. Unfortunately, we don't have. I mean, I don't have hardly any service up here. But that thing's awesome, dude. It's so like smooth and shiny.
Yeah, it's a nice one. Black.
Yeah, right? Yeah. That is nice. Real nice.
The shank on it. I mean, it's a pretty button.
Yeah, yeah. Man, you're having a good birthday.
I'm on it today, that's for sure.
Congrats, man. Congrats. That's awesome. Yeah.
It's been a really good day.
Yep, no doubt. We're gonna live dig this. Yeah, we're gonna live dig it just to see. I found a really good signal, and it's right kind of in the midst of, just on the outside really, of Todd's plugs. And since it's his birthday, I'm gonna give him this signal. And it's like 78, 79, 80, 81. It's right in the sweet spot. Who knows? It might be junk, but it might be something really good too.
Now let's see.
I'm hoping it's good. It's still in there.
It's still in there. 68. Oh, sorry about that. And that plug I had was right there. How'd I miss that, huh?
Yeah, it's just one of those things. Happens to everybody. Man, I want it to be a coin so bad.
Alright. No, it's still down there.
Yeah.
You need to tell people we have had readings. These are all day.
Yeah.
We have had readings.
Yeah.
In the high 60s,
Dang.
the high 70s, and been pulling out stuff like this.
Man, I really believe that was a coin. Dang it. Sorry.
Merry Christmas.
Sorry, buddy.
Yeah.
Oh man, I didn't want to find anything. I swear.
Yeah.
So I'm just swinging over some of this area that Todd's been killing it, and I swung over a hole.
Randy will explain everything to you.
I swung over an old hole where he had a plug in there, and certain enough.
Oh man, that looks like a tombac.
Yeah.
That is a tombac.
Yeah, it's a pretty one.
Oh man, look at that.
Do you remember if you got anything out of this hole? Well, this is probably what you were after.
Yeah.
That happens to all of us, man.
Yeah. Oh, congratulations, Randy.
Thanks.
That is a cap to a great day. You've
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you so much for tuning in. Always appreciate you for watching our videos. And please, if you would, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Always like to hear from you. And Todd, man, thank you so much for welcoming us up here today on your birthday. And it was great, man. We had a great time. And so thank you for that. And we will catch you on the next one. So I hope you keep watching, keep tuning in, and we'll see you next time.
Check out my channel too,
That's
Appalachian History Detectives. You'll catch my end of this, all right?
That's right. And you can see some of his awesome hunts and history lessons of the things that he's been discovering. So make sure to check it out.
Thanks. You guys take care.
Bye.